When y'all do a typical residential 1-inch foam, what insulation value are we getting out of that 1 inch?
Per inch, you get about 6.5 R value.
Okay. And for anyone familiar with insulation, R11 in a 2x4, R19 in a 2x6, you're thinking, well, R6 isn't much. But when you move the R6 to the outside of the building, as opposed to an R11 on the inside of the building, the R6 is actually more effective than the R11. So it is a very effective thermal insulation product.
We get a lot of customers over time where they've come back to us and say, hey, my bill actually went down, or I've noticed a huge difference. And I got a story about that when my sister was building her house up in New River. So we foamed the roof on there too. And when it was still in the framing stage, so I think the windows were on and it was framed out in the plywood. This is middle of summer, right? It's hot. And after we put that roof on, you could walk inside and it's a framed house and you could feel like a 10-degree difference. It was crazy.